Modding classic Doom games and working with LMP LMP files, these contain demo sound effects and game data for Doom engine games. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access and use these Doom engine LMP files for modding and gameplay. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn LMP files. A LMP file is a lump, a generic data container used by the AidTech 1 Doom engine. Users encounter these files when creating or installing mods for classic games like Doom, Heretic, and Hexen. These lumps can store various game assets, including graphics, sounds, music, and level maps, packaged within a larger WAD file. The LMP format is essentially a raw, unstructured binary data block. Its content is defined by its context within the parent WAD file's directory structure. This design choice by ID Software prioritized simplicity and speed for the limited hardware of the early 1990s, allowing the game engine to quickly load individual assets without parsing a complex file structure. There is a direct software link between LMP and Slade by Slade team. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows shows minimal information, so proper editing relies on engine-aware tools. Let's check the software compatibility matrix. Right-click your LMP file, then click Open With. Test Slade if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. This systematic testing is key. If the LMP file still will not open, there is no need to stress. When the file won't budge, the error is typically related to 3 simple things. Use the following checklist to quickly identify the issue that persists. First, playing demo LMPs. Place the LMP demo file in your Doom port directory such as gzdoom or chocolate doom. Launch the game with the command line parameter playDemoFileName or use the in-game console command. The engine plays back the recorded gameplay session at the original speed, matching the recording conditions. Next, editing in Slade. Download Slade from slademancubus.net, the standard Doom modding tool. Open the LMP file in Slade, which automatically detects the lump type and provides appropriate viewing or editing interfaces. Use Slade to extract, integrate, or modify lumps for inclusion in custom Doom modifications and total conversions. Finally, repackaging in WAD files. Use Slade or DayUtex to combine LMP lumps into WAD package files for distribution as Doom mods. Organize lumps with proper naming conventions following Doom engine requirements, then build the WAD archive. The resulting mod files load through any compatible Doom source port. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.